Up Science is a non-profit student organization at the University of Alberta, which allows students the chance to explore science as well as careers within science. This year, we're leading a health sciences workshop where students can attend a full-day event and explore the different careers within health sciences.
The Health Sciences Workshop covers elements from the biology high school curriculum with a focus on human physiology. With 8 unique stations and their own set of learning outcomes, students will learn a little bit about the immune system, cells in various tissues, and principles of inheritance. Our hope is that the skills learned in the workshop can translate to real-world situations such as safely handling chemicals, recognizing signs of illness or overdose, and understanding how family pedigrees can have implications on lifestyle.
The Health Sciences Workshop will take place on January 29th and 30th, 2022. You will get to participate in stations relating to medicine, dentistry, pharmacy, occupational therapy, physical therapy, dietetics, and medical laboratory sciences. There will also be a panel where you can ask questions to current health sciences students.
This year, Team Up Science is proud to present a total of 8 stations that involve several different health science professions. These stations include a remote medicine station, a naloxone station, a swallowing assessment station, a cranial nerve and reflex station, a histology or microscope station, a genetic station, and of course our very popular suturing station.
The Health Sciences Workshop offers a panel consisting of clinical students in pharmacy, medicine, nursing, dentistry, occupational therapy, medical laboratory science, and dietetics. Our panelists look forward to meeting you all and answering any questions you might have about the healthcare programs.
Thanks for watching. We're so excited to host these workshops for you. For registration, make sure you check out our QR code, and for more information, go to our website, teamupscience.com. We hope to see you all there.